Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, aesthetic, the one, the only, the official. The guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And speaking of trolls, the Patty Register that came into chat and the Angela Register are not the real ones. I talked to Patty earlier. She has not talked to her daughter in months, and she said her daughter wouldn't take out the time to track me down, go into chat, and tell me FY. And her daughter didn't even know who I am and doesn't even know I exist. So if you see Patty Register in there, or Melina Vilaba, or whatever her name is, they're not real people. They're trolls. And I don't deserve to be treated like that. Anyway, this video is to show you the damage done to the iMac. I cannot put it in the Pittsburgh unboxing live because it's too big for them to put a thumbnail. And I did find a screen replacement for this, the glass screen, the 21.5-inch LCD screen replacement on eBay, $228, not counting labor. So I'm waiting for the guy to write me back, send me a label. If I don't get a label, I will go and get a hold of eBay and say I need a mailing label to return this. And I do know of a store in Newark that will sell a Mac Mini and a Thunderbolt display real cheap. And if I have to, I'll go get that. And then Kathy would have a working computer. And a person at the store I took, why get the old stuff? I said, all Kathy wants to do, I keep saying Patty all the time. All Kathy wants to do is get on the internet and watch YouTube. That's all she does with most, and look stuff up. She doesn't need a Retina display or 5K or 4K or any of that stuff. Okay, I'm going to put the pictures of the cracked screen. I just looked at it a minute ago. There's 3 more cracks that I didn't see earlier. So I cannot believe it. And one of them the upper left bezel looks like somebody hit it with a hammer. There's no way in hell you could have put this in the box and not noticed that. Unless UPS broke it, which is possible. I don't know. All right, bye-bye for now. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Happy Friday the 13th, where everything goes wrong. And stay safe, stay cool, stay dry. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.